Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Potech TV. And yes, today is Friday and tomorrow is Saturday. Are you ready for my new formula? I will share this. Now, time for our advertisement. Stay tuned. Yummy! Did you know that I have an amazing group on Facebook Messenger? Yes, I have. I want you to know that the name of this group is Color Bites plus M1 Snipers. Oh yeah! And shout out to all the members of this amazing group. And we have Sir John Paul Peria, the admin. And of course, I'm so happy that because of him, we have this kind of group. And he was the one who suggested the word bites for the said formulas. And of course, we have also Sir Calix, Ma'am Ven, Sir John Cyril, Sir Nodsla or Sir Aljon, Sir Ben, Ma'am Michelle, Ma'am Lilette, Sir BC Zial, Sir John, Sir Hendrix, Sir Dexter, hello Sir Dex, Ma'am Jim, Sir Jonats, Ma'am Elaine, Sir Marco, Sir Gino, Sir Al, Sir Prince, Sir Aldrin, and look at that, who is this? Ma'am April Zapata, we are so proud of you. Do you know her? She's an expert on M1 time frame. With her eagle's eyes and Pitik's move, you will be amazed. Indeed, she's a sniper. Sooner or later, all of us will be snipers too. And we have Sir Joe, Ma'am Kendra Miles, Sir Ruby, Ma'am Joanne, Sir Early, we have Czar. Okay, hello Czar. We have Sir Ralph. We have Sir Mel, Ma'am Marianne, Ma'am CA or Ma'am Ka, Sir Christopher, Sir Daniel, Ma'am Jane, Sir Manuel, hello sir, Ma'am April, Park Chin, Sir Elvis, Sir Rico. We have also Sir Franklin, Ma'am Kate, hello, Sir Melchor, hello, Sir Joel, Ma'am Loy, Ma'am Elizabeth, and of course yours truly, the author of these formulas, Color Bites formulas. Okay, and of course I want you to know that the goal of this group is to help one another as we share our expertise using profitable techniques, strategies to be used on trading gold. And I have a special announcement. And what is that? Okay, I want you to know that by Tuesday, we will start our $15 challenge. Gaano kalaki ang sayo? Okay, and we have these guidelines. Participants are those who signified to join and their names are being listed. Any types of accounts will be used as long as he or she has $15 deposit. Any lot size can be used, but he or she be careful on using or observing lot sizing. Top 3 participants with high profits gained in 2 days trading will be chosen to receive prizes. Thank you so much for our sponsors. Okay, we have for the first prize $35, second prize $25, and the third prize $10. And of course, all participants will be asked about their profits, and the top 3 will show the history of their trades and a recorded clip Of course, they have to use the screen recorder app, and the name should be seen and the date should be customized in 2 days. Of course, they have to be patient. They have to aim for blues, scalp them, relax, and enjoy their profits. And of course, they have to be honest at all times. And this is a final guidelines. Oh, look at that. I have my signature. Color Bites plus M1 Snipers. That's the name of our group. If you want to join, you are welcome. It's free. Just message me or send me a message rather. And you are welcome to this group. And together, we will trade like a pro. Together, we will help each other to achieve what we want to achieve. This is Forex. Remember, we have to be careful as we analyze the chart, especially as we have the entries. And take note, since we have formulas, remember, you need to be patient as we look for these pairs. Okay? And see to it that the chart is tradable. Okay? That's it. Thank you. And now I have created the unique formulas, and this time, as you backtest, you will be amazed with its effectiveness on your trades. And the said formulas are perfectly made for gold on H1 chart. And I want you to know that I am sharing this for free. And my ultimate goal is to help you, especially all the traders. This formula should be known to every trader around the world, and for you to be profitable also. And the name of this formula, I want you to know that the name of this formula is Color Bites. Okay, from the word cool. Okay, how come it's cool? For me, I see those candlesticks being themselves, and they don't care how we view them as they keep on moving. And for that, they lure us. Okay, call lure. So they lure us. Lure means something that tempts. So especially the new candlestick, it tempts us to buy if we see it color green, or to sell if we see it color red. Will you buy or sell? So the answer is these formulas. Okay, so what will you do? First step, find the pair or wait for a pair of these two candlesticks. And the second step, the third candle next to the pair, I identify it as the third candle. It could be the confirmation where you can place your entry, but make sure it will follow the formula. If not, wait for the fourth candle, or it might forming again another pair. So always take note, always follow the two formulas. Okay, so the formula for sell, what is this? Take note of this. If we see this pair, one is green and the other one is red, okay, the next candle will be red, and the rest, okay, you will see that it's a downtrend. Okay, it's nice that you will sell on the third candlestick, but take note, you should make sure that that third candle will be uh, as if it is on following the formula. Okay, how about for buy? Okay, for the pair, if we see this pair, red and green, okay, we have the third candle will be green. Okay, if possible, you will have your entry on the third candle, but see to it. Okay, but see to it, you will have the green as it closed, as the 1 hour closed. Okay, see to it, it's a green one. And of course, I want you to know that the pair, okay, especially the red and green, it should be at the support level. Okay, so you should have a knowledge on the support. Again, red plus green, it's a pair of candlestick. They must be at the support level. Okay, and that level signals, okay, a buy signal. For green and red candlestick, it's another pair, so it should be at the resistance level. So the third candle will signal rather as a sell signal. Okay, so we call that price action, right? So together with support and resistance. So I want you to observe also the proper lot sizing and the proper psychology for you to improve your profits greatly. So that's it. And for me, since my capital is too small, okay, that's why there is a word here, bites. It's a nice term, right? I keep on biting the candlestick for me to scalp the profits. Okay, and that's it. We will see my demonstration. Connection. Anyway, let's see. I have something to do here. Okay. Okay. Since this is also what is happening if once you were not with the internet connection problem, your MT4 or MT5 will look like this. So still I need to uh, set the right colors for you not to be confused. Okay, so you know this already, right? Okay, and actually, look at that one. I'm taking time to set the colors. What will happen to my orders? Okay, we will find out. Oh, look at that still. It keeps on moving upward. Okay, and it's time to take profits. Okay, that's it. So last one, we will see. Will it go up? Okay. So anyway, okay. Since I need to sleep, and perhaps you already understand this formula. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share this to all of your friends who are also a trader like you. Okay, for them to be profitable, they should follow the formula given by yours truly, the author of this formula. Okay, And that's the power of my formula. Again, what's the name? Color. Okay, bites. Color bites. Okay, so that's it. Look at my balance. And that's the profit. And by the way, I traded this only on the selected times in a day, usually at night. Okay, from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. But this time is different because I need to demonstrate the said formula. So that's it. Thank you.